Archana SP as Mrs. Nightingale. Miss Fatima as Mr. Nightingale. Miss Sanjana Vijay as 20-year-old Florence Nightingale. Miss Archana Rajesh as 25-year-old Florence Nightingale. Miss Anjali as 34-year-old Florence Nightingale. Miss Neha as 36-year-old Florence Nightingale. Miss Aisha as 19-year-old Florence Nightingale. Miss Aditya as Dr. Hall. Miss Sidra as Soldier Jim. Miss Gayatri as Soldier 1. Miss Brinda as Soldier 2. Miss Mohinda as Nurse Clara. Now the skit is started.
1830, the Nightingale's Garden.
Florence, what are you doing in the dark? Look at your dress. Your sister inside practicing piano and you are playing with animals.
But mom, look at the square dog, the pasta. I used this stick to eat like strange. Now it's not right.
You are a strange child. You care about injured animals more than your music yourself. Florence, put that book away. We have a party tonight. You must look nice and find a husband.
Mother, I don't want a husband or a party. I feel in my heart that I have a different purpose.
Being a nurse is a dirt and shameful job. Why would a rich girl like you care for sick people?
Because sick people feel lonely. If I can help them, how can I just sit here and relax? I have decided I will study nursing.
Florence, I have spoke to the professors. We want you to study mathematics and study philosophy. You are very intelligent child. Use your mind well.
I am using my mind for good. I have been studying how many people stay in the hospitals and how could the system affect the health.
Drainage system? Florence, we are talking about your future. A guy like you should talk about art and literature.
I don't care about that. I have read the reports. People are dying in hospital because of neglect. You want me to study culture? But I want to learn how to sing.
Nursing is not a real education. It's a tragedy. We are giving you the best education money can buy. And you choose this?
Then keep your money for it. I will learn what I did and follow my path. I can't live a useless life anymore.
Miss Nightingale, this is a Warsaw, not a place for ladies. A Warsaw? No, this is worse. This is not a hospital. It's a swamp. No soap, no clean water, nothing but suffering. We have no supplies and no time for complaints. These men are tough. They will manage. Manage? In this field. They are not just soldiers. They are human beings. You are overstepping, Miss Nightingale. This is not your command. Then it should be, because this is not care. This is neglect. What exactly do you plan to do? Clean, heal, change everything. That is wrong here. I didn't come here to ask for permission. I came here to save lives. You really believe you can change this place? I don't believe. I I believe. Oh, who is there? Someone is coming. Is it an angel? I thought I was lost in this darkness forever.
No, no, soldier. It is Florence. Do not be afraid. I am here to help you.
Florence, are you here? I thought they had come for me.
You are alive, brave soldier. Your fever is reducing, and you will be safe now.
The pain, it was unbearable. I thought no one would find me.
You are not alone anymore. My lamp will guide you through this darkness.
Your light feels like hope, like God has sent someone to save me.
Rest now, soldier Jim. I will stay with you tonight. You will go home soon.
Thank you. No one should die alone. Because of you, I owe.
I will be here with you all night. No one dies alone while I have oil in my lamp.
Nightingale, London. Are you comfortable? Yes, child. You should take rest, ma'am. You have been reading again. Maybe you are right. I should take rest. Ma'am, look, your book, Notes on Nursing, is big read by students all across the globe. They are even calling it the Nurse's Bible. Bible? No, Clara, no. It is not a book of rules. It is a book of truth. I wrote those pages so that every woman, even in the poorest home, may know the value of a share in water and light. Yes, ma'am. The Trinity School at the St. Thomas Hospital is full now. Young women are coming from everywhere. They want to be nurses like you. Like me? No, Clara. They must become better than me. Better than you? Yes. Nursing is not just following orders. It is observing, thinking, caring, even when no one is watching. I will remember that now. You must use your head to observe, your hands to heal, and your heart to comfort. You have taught us so much, ma'am. Careful, ma'am. Shall I help you? No, I still can. Miss Love has walked with me through many long nights. Now, Clara, I am giving you my lamp. Not just for you, but all those who will come after you. Generations of nurses will walk this path. I am placing it in the hands of every nurses yet to come. I will carry it, ma'am. I promise. Do not